bursary program that we got involved with Saskatchewan Polytechnic fit very well into our planning and memories of my father. Being a financial person in my background, I knew exactly what I wanted and how it was to be set up, and that's what we were looking for in our bursary program in the name of George and Ann Mertler.
Scholarships are huge for many of our certificate students. Sometimes these scholarships can be the difference between staying in training and having to withdraw.
If we want our students to be trained properly and to remain in the province, this is the avenue I would suggest that people follow.
I really appreciate this award. Not only me, but also my family. I will be a apprentice, make a more contribution to this community.
What a wonderful gift I was gifted to help me. That's what helps our world. Good people like them who left something behind for other people, complete strangers they don't even know.
One thing is to have a dream, and the second part of that is how do I achieve this dream? What had gone before me by way of my parents, and the Mertler legacy is what's important to me. Their contributions that they made, I expect to continue that.